today we are learning how to change tire. So first let's understand what all the tools you have. So first thing is extra tire. Make sure it's not punctured, it's like properly fixed. You have spanner. This is to use to unlock the screws for wheel. This is your jack. This is the jack tool to rotate the jack. This is towing screw. I'll show you how to use it. And this is the screw. You get with this. It has like two ways. You can use both ways. So most of the cars will have towing hook. This is the hook. So most of the cars will have something. So in XUV 300, you have it here. So you can just like okay. So you can see there's a screw here. Okay, you put it here and you fix it, and there will be a towing rope here, which I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how a towing rope looks like. You see this is all dusty because we have used it, and there is a hook here, and this you put here and you tie it to other car to tow it. Okay, then we'll see now how to change tire. Okay, so I'm learning to change a tire, and these are the three minimum things required. Jack, this is to move the jack, and this is the spanner to remove the screw which you see here. There are 5 in our tire. There can be a cap outside this wheel, so in case if it's scenario for you, you can use the screwdriver and remove the cap, like something like this. I mean, it's not for us, but in general. And then when you see the screw, that's where you change the tire. Okay, so now Akshat will tell us on how to change tire. So give it.
So first of all, this jack needs to be on solid ground, and where you place it, it needs to be like a stable ground. There should be no rocks underneath it, or no sand or anything. You need to clear it out. Then this part of the jack is used to change the height of the jack. So this part needs to be outside, and you need to put the jack in such a way that the metal chassis of the car. So this stuff is plastic. So this stuff you should not put the jack under this, otherwise the plastic will break. So you need to, if you see below, there is a thin metal strip here, which is the chassis of the car, this one. So we have to make sure that this chassis, this metal part fits in the jack here. So the metal part should fit like this in between. So this will also give it stability, and it will not make, like, it will fix within the jack, and the car will not move in case something happens. So then next, what we want to do is, see, since the height of this is still right now, it's not it's high and it cannot go inside. So we'll just
I'll do
first,
that. I'll
yeah.
do all of this.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have to do? Remove, lower this, right?
Yes. Yeah. You can see it is lowering when doing anti-clockwise. When it is not loaded, we can just do it by hand easily. But if it is hard for you, then you can use the spanner or something else to also lower it. Now we can go underneath it.
Okay. This is the one?
Go far in, like near the tire. Don't. We should put it as near the
Okay.
tire as possible. Yes. Yeah.
This is metal.
Yes.
Okay.
And make it straight. Yes.
Okay.
Now make it go up clockwise. Yes. No. This is slightly back. Now, yeah, do it.
Sure. Okay. Now I have to tighten it. I can't more.
Yeah. Now you have to tighten it. See that the metal strip is, the car is going to be lifted by the metal strip. Now it is fine. Now she can't do it by hand. Now she has to do it using that.
So I have to put it here?
Yeah, you have to put it there,
Okay.
and then do it something like this. So this might be difficult. So what you can do is, you do this.
So I have
One
to
second.
do this, right?
Yes, you have to do clockwise.
Yeah.
Hold. What you can do is put it like this first.
Okay.
Then wait. You see this here? This one.
Yeah.
You can fit it here.
Oh. Okay.
Right. And then you can just do this.
Oh.
Now as you can see, the car is slowly getting lifted up. And after a while, you will see that the wheel will be in the air. Not yet, but soon. How hard is it? Is it hard?
No, it's not. I thought it would be, but it's not. How much further do we have to do this?
Some more, I think. Yeah, it's better to sit down.
Okay, so finally the tire is above the surface. So I think my work here, this much is done. Okay, so what Akshay told me, which we could have done it probably earlier, is just make this grip a bit looser, because sometimes if it's too hard, you need to like jump on the spanner or something to make it, and if I do it now, it might put more pressure on jack. So, but we didn't do it, so we are now doing it. So, okay, from where should I start?
Anyone.
Any screw? Okay.
You need to make sure that the brake is there. It should be.
Brake, how do I make sure? From internal?
From
only,
internal,
right?
yeah.
I put a handbrake. Oh, it's not even.
Of course it won't. So this needs to be an anti-clockwise to remove. This will be the hardest part. Generally, it's better to do it with your leg, so you can.
How do I pull from my leg?
So you can push. You can move it like this.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Now you can push. Yeah, you can just push there. Yeah, do jerk motion. Like a kick motion will make it. The more nearer you do it, the harder it is. The more farther you do it, it's easier. I think it worked, right?
I think so. I don't know. It moved, right?
It moved. See, yeah, it worked.
Oh,
Edge. Use the very edge. Yeah. Okay, good. Now third one. Come on.
something worked. Wait, I'm tired.
Okay,
Give it a
I'm
minute.
stopped.
ओके, तो फाइनली ये सारे हमने निकाले बहुत मेहनत से. अभी ये लूज हो गए, तो अभी मैं बस इसको निकाल रही हूँ. अब ऐसे निकाल देता है? कैसे निकालते हैं?
इसको उठा के निकालना पड़ेगा. वो इधर से हाथ डाल के, वो बीच में
ऐसे?
होल्स में से. हाँ, हैवी होता है. दोनों हाथ.
ना.
हाँ, बस दोनों हाथ डाल के उसको बाहर लेकर ऊपर उसको उठा के लाना पड़ेगा.
नहीं भी होता है ये.
होता है काफ़ी. 15 kg आसपास.
ओ
10. छोटी गाड़ी का कम हैवी होगा. नीचे से उसको थोड़ा वो कर, नीचे से पुश कर.
पुश करो.
मतलब इधर से भी निकाल. हाँ, एक ऊपर एक नीचे से उसको
हिल ही नहीं रहा है ये.
उसको थोड़ा उठा के निकालना पड़ेगा. अप एंड देन इन फ्रंट. हाँ, एंगल वाला है.
ऐसे.
ऊपर नीचे. हाँ बस. यस, लाइक दैट. लूजन इट. कर इधर से और एक इधर से. पुश पुल करके.
फाइनली ये नीचे उतर गया. उसको
इसको पीछे ले ले गाड़ी के. वो स्पेयर व्हील ट्राई करेंगे निकाल के.
पहले निकालना है.
हाँ,
पहले इसके जैसा नहीं होता, अलग होता है.
वही इसलिए तो निकालते हैं.
आह,
लगाएंगे नहीं, यही वाला लगाएंगे, पर स्पेयर व्हील निकाल के ट्राई करें.
ठीक है.
यस.
तो रखा मैंने ऐसा.
हाँ,
हाथ दिख रही है मेरे. ओ भाई, इसको लिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा.
अभी पहले इसको इधर स्क्रू जैसा है उसको निकालना पड़ेगा.
ओ ऐसे नहीं निकलेगा. ओके.
अब इसको बीच में से पकड़ के निकाल.
आह, इतने तक तो मैं लाई. ऐसे करना है और इसको लिफ्ट करना है मेरे को।
लिफ्ट एंड फ्लिप। हाँ बस उसको फ्लिप करा दे वो एंगल पे रख के।
ऐसे
हाँ बस अब नीचे डाल।
नीचे कैसे डालूं? फेंकना तो नहीं है ना?
फेंक सकता है कुछ नहीं, रीली है। उठा के जितना आ सकता है उतना कर। हाँ बस ऐसे। यस नाइस। ओके परफेक्ट। नाउ रोल इट।
ये और ये सेम है क्या?
अलग है,
अरे बाप रे,
मतलब अलग ही होता है। स्पेयर व्हील
छोटा भी है।
छोटा नहीं है, सेम ही साइज़ का होता है।
हाँ
सिर्फ उसका ये अलग है जो ग्रिल है वो, बाकी सब सेम है। नाउ दिस विल बी अनदर बिग डिफिकल्टी, यू हैव टू टेक दिस एंड अलाइन विद दैट।
Okay, so we finally, after a long effort, we managed to push this and align it by like just aligning it. And now I'm just putting screws, not tightening it yet.
Always put opposite screws first. When you put this, then put this.
Okay.
Always also when tightening, you have to tighten opposite screws first so that the alignment is always correct. That's it. Don't do it too much right now. It's fine. Just put them in.
Okay. Now.
Now you have
lower the
to.
jack.
No. You have to first tighten it 95% without lowering the jack, and then final 5% tightening you do after it. See, it's moving, right? So that's why you have to tighten it first. Tighten top, then tighten this one. So tighten opposite. Now do it opposite. Yes.
How do we know if it's in alignment properly?
Then once you can, when you drive it, it should not move like this, vibrate. But you can see it, like you will be able to see it.
Okay.
Now you've done 95%. Okay, so now we can remove from the jack. Move it anti-clockwise.
Okay. I'm now tightening it. Check once, is it tight or
Yeah, tight.
tight? Okay.